चलो बच्चों, let us read the question. The question says that there is an assertion made, and according to that a reason is given. And assertion is that mRNA has some untranslated region that are not translated. UTR are required for efficient translation. So the key concept is the post-translational modification requirements. Let us look into it. जब भी हम बात करते हैं कि mRNA फॉर्म होता है ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के जब दौरान एक mRNA फॉर्म होता है, दिस इज 5 प्राइम एंड दिस इज 3 प्राइम एंड दिस इज अ mRNA consist as an mRNA, it as an mRNA. Before that ट्रांसलेशन होते ही ये hnRNA के फॉर्म में होता है. This 5 prime, this is 3 prime and it is present in the nucleus. It is hnRNA. Now this hnRNA is converted to mRNA by splicing out the introns or non-coding region. They are the non-coding region. Suppose the non-coding region is this. These are the non-coding region present in it. So it will be spliced off. It will be present over here. Now what happens that it gets converted to the mRNA, the final protein that is to be translated. Now what happens is that suppose this is the region 5 prime has a region called UTR, 5 prime UTR and 3 prime पे भी एक UTR region present रहता है. These UTR are untranslated region and they are not translated in the form of protein. Translation does not occur in these regions. So what is the function then of these UTRs? The function of these regions is that they provide stability, is they help in the localization of this protein. Suppose they have the local signals. Suppose this protein, this mRNA, when it will be coded in the form of protein, it is supposed to go in the mitochondria. So where will be the signal present? The signal will be present in the UTR region and they are responsible for the stability and localization or transport of protein from one suborganelle to the another suborganelle. Thus UTRs are required for efficient translation. It is a true concept or true reason according to the assertion. It is not translated but it is efficient for translation. Thus we can say, हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये जो दोनों स्टेटमेंट है, assertion और reason, दोनों ही appropriate हैं एक दूसरे के लिए. If both A and R are true, R is correct explanation of A. तो ऑप्शन A हमारा सही है. A. Hope you all understood. All the best.